Good morning. Day 3. This is actually supposed to like this, feel like steps, but she was absolutely losing her mind when I put that in there. So I decided that I would just keep it straight for now. Give her more of like a flat surface anyway, so I guess it's a win-win. But I was gonna angle this part down. Hi, pretty mamas. How you doing? I gave her, she's loving pistachios. She must have broke the shell off of the pistachios already, but I never seen her step on this rope since I put it there. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.